Shapes. MS Word 2010 comes with a set of ready-made shapes that you can use in your document. You can resize, rotate, flip, color, and combine the shapes with other shapes to make more complex shapes. The Shapes command on the Insert tab contains several categories of shapes including lines, basic shapes, flowchart, stars and banners, and callouts. To draw a shape from the Shapes command, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Insert tab. Step 2. Click on Shapes command in the Illustrations group. The drop-down menu of Shapes command opens where you can see a list of categories of shapes which you can insert. Step 3. Select any shape from the available categories of shapes. Step 4. Click and drag the mouse pointer in the document area to draw the selected shape. Release the mouse button when the selected shape is of the desired size. MS Word allows you to write text inside a shape. To do so, follow these steps. Step 1. Right-click inside the shape and select the Add Text option from the pop-up menu. The cursor will appear inside the shape. Step 2. Type the text and then click anywhere on the screen outside the shape. The text appears in the shape. Formatting shapes. MS Word 2010 allows you to format shapes by changing outline color and fill color of the shapes. It also allows you to add different types of shape effects such as 3D and bevel. Let us learn about these in detail. Changing outline color of a shape. To change the color of the outline around a shape, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the shape to select it and click on the Format tab. Step 2. Click on the Shape Outline command in the Shape Styles group. A drop-down menu with different color themes appear. Step 3. Choose and click on a color of the outline from the drop-down menu. The shape will appear in the selected outline color. Changing the fill color of a shape. To change the fill color of the shape, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the shape to select it and click on the Format tab. Step 2. Click on the Shape Fill command in the Shape Styles group to display a drop-down menu. Step 3. Now choose the color, picture, gradient or texture to be filled into the shape from the drop-down menu. Adding shape effects. MS Word 2010 provides various types of shape effects to change the look of a shape such as preset, shadow, reflection, glow, soft edges, bevel, and 3D rotation. Let us learn how to add 3D effects. Adding 3D effects. There are two kinds of 3D effects in MS Word 2010 that can be applied on the shapes to give them a 3D appearance. 3D rotation. To apply 3D rotation effect, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the shape and click on Format tab. Step 2. From the Shape Styles group, click on Shape Effects command. A drop-down menu appears. Step 3. Place the mouse over 3D rotation option from the menu. A sub-menu appears. Step 4. From the sub-menu, select the desired rotation effect. Bevel. Bevel adds thickness and rounded edges to shapes. To apply bevel effect, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the shape. Step 2. Click on Format tab. Step 3. From the Shape Styles group, click on Shape Effects command. Step 4. Place the mouse over Bevel option. A sub-menu appears. Step 5. From the sub-menu, select the desired bevel effect. Inserting word art. Word art allows you to create text effects that are not possible through text formatting. To apply word art effect to text, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the text to be converted to a word art style. Click on Insert tab. Step 2. Click on Word Art command in the text group. A drop-down menu appears with different types of word art styles. Step 3. Select the desired style. A text box will appear in the document. Step 4. Enter text in the text box. After entering the text, click anywhere on the document outside the text box. The text entered appears in the selected word art style. Inserting pictures. Let us see how we can add clip art and pictures in our document. Inserting clip art. MS Word 2010 comes with its own set of pre-designed pictures in the clip art gallery. The clip art gallery includes a wide variety of pictures that makes it easy for you to enhance your document with professionally designed images. To insert clip art, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. Click on the Clip Art command in the Illustrations group. A clip art pane appears on the right side of the MS Word window. Step 3. In the Search For box, type the desired keyword related to the image that you wish to insert. The images that match the search keyword appear in the clip art pane. Step 4. Click on the image that you wish to insert. It will be inserted in your document. Inserting a picture from a file. You can also insert a saved picture or a scanned photo in your document. To do so, follow these steps. Step 1. Place the cursor where you want to insert the picture. Click on Insert tab. Step 2. In the Illustrations group, click on the Picture command. The Insert Picture dialog box appears. Step 3. Select the desired picture and then click on Insert button. The selected picture will insert it in your document. Inserting symbols. Symbols are punctuations or special characters generally not found on the keyboard. To add symbols in your document, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Insert tab. Step 2. Click on the Symbol command in the Symbols group under the Home tab. A drop-down menu containing different symbols appear. Step 3. Click on any symbol you want to insert. Step 4. To view more symbols, click on More Symbols option from drop-down menu to open the symbol dialog box. Step 5. Select the symbol or character you want to insert. Step 6. Click on Insert button to insert the symbol into the document. Click on Close button to exit. Artistic border. To make the page attractive, you can apply an artistic border to a page. To apply an artistic border, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Home tab. Step 2. Click on the Borders option in the Paragraph group. Step 3. Select Borders and Shading from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Click on Page Border tab in the Borders and Shading dialog box. Step 5. Click on the drop-down arrow in the Art option. Step 6. Choose the border style. Step 7. Click on OK. You can also change the color of border by click on the drop-down arrow in the Color option. Header and Footer. Header is the text that appears at the top of each page of the document. Footer is the text like page number that appears at the bottom of each page of the document. To insert header and footer, follow these steps. Step 1. Open your document in Word 2010. Step 2. Click on the Insert tab. Step 3. Here you'll find the header and footer options. Click on the required command to open list of options. Step 4. You can choose from various available header/footer templates or choose blank option to enter text of your choice. This will open the respective header or footer section of the page. You can type the text you want to appear on each page. In footer options, Word 2010 also provides an option to automatically enter page number on each page. Column and column break. By default, MS Word document is written into a single column. You can insert more than one column in the document. To insert column, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click on Page Layout tab. Step 3. Click on Columns command in Page Setup group. Step 4. A drop-down menu appears. Select the number of columns. The selected text is divided into the number of columns selected by you. You can also insert column in the document by clicking on the More Columns option. Column break. MS Word allows you to shift text from one column to another as per your need. To do this thing, you need to insert a column break. To insert a column break, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Page Layout tab. Step 2. Place the cursor at the position where you want to insert a column break. Step 3. Click on Break command in the Page Setup group. Step 4. A drop-down menu appears. Click on Column option. The column break gets inserted into the document. Page break. When you are writing something in MS Word and you want to shift text on the next page, to do this, you need to insert page break. To insert page break, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Page Layout tab. Step 2. Place the cursor at the position where you want to insert a page break. Step 3. Click on Break command in the Page Setup group. A drop-down menu appears. Step 4. Click on Page option. The page break gets inserted into the document. Line break. You know that Enter key takes the cursor to the new line by adding a new paragraph. Line break creates new line but does not add a paragraph. To add a line break in Word, place the cursor where you want to break and press Shift plus Enter key. Tabs. Tabs move the cursor 1/2 inch by default. They work when you press the tab key on your keyboard. The position where the cursor moves on pressing the tab key is called the tab stop. If you place the cursor at the beginning of a paragraph and press tab key, the first line of the paragraph gets indented by 1/2 inch. Indentation. Indentation is the distance of the text from either the left or the right margin. It is used to move the paragraph or a single line of the paragraph. To indent the text, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Page Layout tab. Step 2. Select the text. Step 3. Click on Indent Increase button in the paragraph group. The selected text will shift to the right side. You can also decrease the indent by clicking on the Decrease Indent button. Page margin. Page margin is the white space all around the printed area of the paper. This space is left so that when the papers are arranged as a book, the printed text does not get hidden inside the binding. To set page margins, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Page Layout tab. Step 2. click on Margins command in the Page Setup group. Step 3. Select a style of margins from the options in the drop-down menu. Step 4. Select Custom Margins to define your choice of page margins. This will open Page Setup dialog box. Step 5. Set the top, bottom, left and right margins. Step 6. Click on OK button. Page orientation. You can place a paper in two ways, along its length and along its width. When a table with many columns is to be made, you will place the paper so that its longer edge is on the top. You can apply this to the MS Word document also. This feature is called orientation. There are two types of orientations in MS Word. Portrait, when the shorter edge is on the top. Landscape, when the longer edge is on the top. To change orientation, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Page Layout tab. Step 2. Click on Orientation command in the Page Setup group. Step 3. Click on Portrait or Landscape orientation as required. By default, the orientation of a Word document is Portrait. Page size. In MS Word 2010, default page size is letter. Sometimes you need to change the page size according to the printer. To set page size, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Page Layout tab. Step 2. Click on Size command in the Page Setup group. A drop-down menu appears. The current page size is highlighted. Step 3. Choose the page size you want.